Good morning. Today we discuss about the topic non-deterministic finite automata with epsilon. So here another name is NFA with epsilon. Before discuss about the NFA with epsilon, an automation is an abstract model of a digital computer. Okay, so in this automation as a mechanism to read input, so from input tape. Any language is recognized by some automations, and these automations are basically language acceptors or language recognizer. So in this theory of automata, starting with a finite automata, we can be started. Now let us discuss about the in this finite automata. First one we done their description is the DFA, deterministic finite automata, and NDFA, non-deterministic finite automata. Let in this we can discuss about the one more next one. NFA with the epsilon moves. But what is mean by NFA? Epsilon moves. So in this NFA with epsilon moves, before discussing, so in the non-NFA automation, what is the NFA automation? It means certain input we get a certain output, either desirable and understandable. So in this similar manner, DFA or the mechanism in which we get some predictable state or certain input. Okay, so but constructing such deterministic machine is very difficult. Hence, should some way which some easy to construct, it can be built. So construct now the NFA with epsilon moves. So it can be in order to move from one state to another state without having any symbol. So that is called NFA with epsilon moves. So let us take, so in this we are taking the two states. The two states are the one is the V1 and second one is the V2. So without using any input symbol, like we are in the NFA and DFA, we can using the input symbols are between the state like A, comma, B, comma, 0, comma, 1. But NFA with epsilon moves we can be using without input symbols. That is called epsilon. Okay, so this is the NFA with epsilon transition, right?